What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another It's Manny Game and Spin the Wheel Challenge. Today, I have 20 Hall of Famers. Whoever wins, I will do a thing on the Brandon Does Everything Reddit. Go join his Reddit page. And Raw, SmackDown, NXT, or AEW, whichever brand wins, I'll put that superstar on that brand and Fed Simulator for a month. Now, let's go ahead. Let me tell you who the contestants are. We're going to start off where the little point thing is. Hulk Hogan, Razor Ramon, Diesel, Triple H, Mick Foley, Ultimate Warrior, The Macho Man, Shawn Michaels, Edge, Sting, Solomon, Rocky Johnson, Steve Austin, Bret Hart, Booker T, Kurt Angle, Goldberg, British Bulldog, Kane, Great Khali, and RVD. Now, last person standing, it's up to that's 20 Hall of Famers. Now let's see who the first man eliminated is.
Ultimate Warrior.
Ultimate Warrior is the first one out. R.I.P. man. Literally not who I expected. Next is Razor Ramon. I don't care what that. The only thing
Ramon.
The only thing I really care about is who's gonna win. Next elimination is, oh man, that's my favorite in this thing.
Rob Van Dam.
That was my favorite in this whole thing. Well, Shawn Michaels actually my number one favorite, but like RVD was my other favorite. Hulk Hogan's out. Two members of the NWO. How are two members of the NWO already eliminated? OMG, man. Goldberg, okay. People when Brandon Does Everything hates Hulk Hogan, and Brandon even hates Hulk Hogan, so I'm kind of happy that I didn't get him.
Bret Hart.
Please, Brandon Does Everything. If you see this video, please comment on it, okay? And I will pin the comment.
Steve Austin.
Stone Cold Steve Austin. Little Stone Cold Steve Austin. Why do I love my peers so much? Alright. King. I have this Great Khali still in it. Okay. Edge is already on SmackDown, so I'm kind of okay about that. He's the only Hall of Famer on the whole freaking roster right now. That is Diesel. Diesel's out. Kevin Nash, whatever you want to call the man. And the elimination goes to the hardcore legend, Mick Foley. At first, I had the New Age Outlaws and X-Pac in here, but I'm like, oh, I forgot the Ultimate Warrior and Macho Man, so I just replaced them.
Macho Man Randy Savage.
So yeah, speak of the devil. Yeah, I just replaced the New Age Outlaws with Macho Man, Ultimate Warrior, and Sting. Sting was in there. Yeah, who I replaced?
Shawn Michaels.
Who did I replace X-Pac with? Oh yeah, Mick Foley. That's where Mick Foley came from. I had to replace him with X-Pac.
Triple H.
I was down to find 3: British Bulldog, Kurt Angle, and Great Khali. This is deciding who will enter it. The Great Khali is out. It's down to the British Bulldog or Kurt Angle.
Khali.
It's down to British Bulldog and Kurt Angle. Who will it be? Ooh, Kurt Angle. Whoa.
British Bulldog.
Okay, so there's your winner. The winner of the thing is Kurt Angle. Now on Brandon Does Everything Reddit, I will put which brand do you want Kurt Angle to go on? Raw, SmackDown, NXT, or AEW? And whichever y'all choose, I will put them on there for a month like I do with all my other Fed Simulator videos. That's it for my video, and I will see you all in the next one. Gracias.